gonna start it off with this one. I just found this beat too. I literally hadn't heard the song yet. But then the best ones for me, when I ain't heard the song, I ain't heard nobody rap on it yet, that's when the magic happens. Check me out. I've been bumping Kanye since I woke up, so you know what? I'm gonna go, bro. Put that D after the G-O, so you know where blessings flow from. I'm wise beyond my years, so you couldn't hear it if I go dumb. But speak with such conviction, you can feel it if my throat numb. I got so many flows, I hit the phone like, come get your son. Cause every time I spit, the spitting images gon' want some. I guess they become my sons. I'm raising up these icons, proclaim father of nations. Can't relate until you got some. That world on your shoulders, try universe on it. And my real name is Steve. I don't do nothing phony. Introduce myself in Spanish, say me llamo Corona. And not the one that you pull up, but yeah, the one that do glow up. Shit it. The one that grew soldiers, but not to blow up but grow up. And ain't no war been lost on them because we know where we go for. No coincidence in the kingdom, all has a purpose and meaning. And when I say you can't see me, cause you only see Jesus. That's preaching. Volume 2. Back at it like a Craftmatic. You did. Can't see me dancing.